So Brian, we're fishing outside right now. It's really a nice day, but you know, you look around here, there's a lot of tents around. What are the advantages of having tents on the ice?
Yeah, well, certainly when it's cold out and that wind's blowing, we'd have the tent up. So the tent, first of all, it offers you protection from the elements, keeps you warmer. But the other advantage of a tent is that we can look down the hole. And because a lot of times those kokanee or other fish species are high in the water column, you can see them. Yeah. So you can actually sight fish them, and the black lining on the inside of the tents blocks all the sunlight, and it makes for an interesting fishing event in the tent.
Yeah, absolutely. Your catch rate becomes better when you can see the fish.